Yeah, she's super out of it. Oh, okay, yeah. No, like I said, this is my specialty. Like, I work with brides that are super hungover like this. Yeah. Yeah, but she's probably the most I've seen. Yeah. I mean, do you have like a plan to get her up? Because she's like, wow. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I'm sure she'll be fine. Yeah. But I will say she does look like she has like some foundation on. Oh, okay. Yeah, her bridesmaids did it. Okay, perfect. Half of my work is done. She looks gorgeous. Yeah. A roll. Oh, okay. Yeah, what kind of roll? Don't touch her face. No, I mean, I can do that. That's fine. Yeah, totally fine. I have all my brushes here, as you can see. Yeah. So I won't have to anyway since her foundation is on, so it makes it easier. Yeah. How much time do I have? Okay. No, that's plenty of time, I think. Just something light, natural. Okay. Gloss and lashes. Okay. Yeah, no, that's doable in that time. Alright, yeah. I'll let you know when I'm finished. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye. Hi. It's your wedding day. That's so cute. Except you're like out of it. Like super out of it. But it's okay. It's alright. We're gonna get you done. It's just unfortunately I can't really talk to you about the process, but I'm gonna keep talking. You might wake up while I'm doing it. I just want you to know who I am. So I'm your makeup artist for today. Your foundation is on. It looks really smooth, really pretty. Full coverage, it seems. Totally fine. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do your blush. Your bride, you need your blush. Okay, let's do this pretty pink, okay? Wow, you are so out of it though. I haven't been this hungover in like, probably since my 21st birthday or something. Wow, it's going on super stiff though. Maybe because you're kind of out of it. Yeah, it's okay. It's not blending very well. It's okay, we're gonna make it work. Maybe the beauty blender. Let's see. I mean, it did something. It's better than nothing. Ugh. Afraid it won't be my best work, but it's something. And you do look really, really pale. It's okay. No, not everybody wants a spray tan for their weddings. Okay, let's see. I have bronzer here somewhere. So we'll just put some bronzer. Okay. I know you can't hear me. I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna try my best to make you look beautiful. You are really pretty though. It's hard to tell with your eyes kind of shut and stuff. Speaking of which, they kind of look funny. Not that you look funny. I hope that didn't come out the wrong way, but they just kind of look like... Ooh. Sorry, I wasn't supposed to touch you. You are kind of cold. Well, you have a robe on, so I guess that helps. You also already have your wedding dress on. Looks like under the robe. I didn't notice that. Huh. I guess your bridesmaids did it. So, I don't know. He said that they stepped out for lunch. but I don't know. They usually say to get their makeup done too. That's kind of weird. It's none of my business though, I guess. But let's put some setting spray on you, just to hold in the blush. Okay. It's not blending. It's just kind of like sitting on your skin. So odd. It's okay. Let's see. Maybe let's try to curl your lashes. See if they'll curl. They're not really curling. Let's see. I mean, it went on, but I don't know. I feel like something's off. You being really cold and stuff. Hope you're not like having alcohol poisoning, but I guess you would be throwing up, right? I don't know. Let's see. Let's put some brow gel on you. Your brows look drawn on. I guess they did your brows too, but the hairs are a little. Let's do the other side. I don't know. It's just kind of sticking there. It's not. I don't know. Well, anyway, let's try to do your lips. Your lips are like doing like that. I know I'm not supposed to touch you, but oh no. And your lips aren't opening. Let's see about your eyes. Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay. What do I do? I don't think you're with us anymore. I guess you can't answer me. You're not here. I don't think you're here. I don't think. Okay. I feel like my nails look a little intense because your skin is not. Okay. Okay. I gotta think. Okay. Think. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, but I have to kind of think of myself a little bit here. And I have to finish the makeup so that I can leave. Because I don't think you'll leave if I don't finish. Okay, I'm so sorry. I will get you help when I get out, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on you, okay? Let's just do the lip gloss. I'm sorry, I don't mean to make faces at you. So disrespectful, I know, but I don't know what else. I don't know what to do. Sorry, your lips are like literally glued shut, like at a funeral. Oh my god. Anyway, okay, well, I'm gonna tell him we're done, okay? I'm gonna tell him we're done. Okay. Excuse me. Hi there. So I am all finished. Look at her, she's so pretty. I know, I just had to put a little bit on her. She's so naturally gorgeous. Yeah, well, you know, you already paid me, so I'm just gonna grab my stuff and start heading out. And you want me to stay? You want me to stay for touch-ups? Well, I actually have a booking right after this one, and I'm super late, so I really have to go, actually. Yeah. Yeah, but congrats to you guys, and you know, you guys look very perfect for each other, and you know, many blessings and all of that. So I'm just gonna